Here's what bike dealers never tell you when you're shopping for a commuter bike. Did you know that 68% of new bike owners experience range anxiety within their first month? That's not bad luck, it's by design. Most of these bikes are built around marketing numbers, not real-world performance. Imagine this, you're finally ready to ditch your car, excited for that clean, quiet commute, until your battery dies halfway to work. Now you're stranded, calling an expensive rideshare, and wondering why your eco-friendly freedom feels like a trap. But not today. In this countdown, we're revealing the 20 longest range commuter e-bikes of 2025, the ones that actually deliver on their promises. No gimmicks. No inflated numbers. Just real-world performance, tested and proven. These aren't garage toys. They're serious machines built for riders who depend on their bikes every single day. And trust me, number one will blow your mind. It's got premium range and features at nearly half the price of what dealers are charging. Stick around till the end, because this list could save you from making the expensive mistake that ruins most people's car-free dreams. Aventon Solterra 2. Lightweight doesn't mean weak. At just 46 pounds, the Solterra 2's 350W motor peaks at 540W with 45 Newton meters of torque, enough to crush city hills without breaking a sweat. Its 360Wh battery delivers a consistent 30 to 37 miles of real-world range, perfect for daily commuters who can't afford surprises. The torque sensor gives a smooth, natural ride. No jerky, on-off power like cheap models. For just $999, you also get brake-activated lights, turn signals, and an unlockable speed boost up to 25 miles per hour. Ride 1UP Roadster V3. The bike that doesn't want you to know it's electric. Minimalist design, belt drive, so no chain grease on your clothes, and whisper-quiet performance. A 500W motor with a 320Wh battery gives 20 to 40 miles of range, perfect for short urban commutes. At $995, it's the go-to for riders who want stealth, style, and simplicity. Cannondale Movero Neo SL1. Decades of traditional bike expertise meet modern e-mobility. A 350W Bafang hub motor and 360Wh battery push up to 67 miles claimed range, with refined handling and precise engineering. Hydraulic brakes, integrated lights, and a rear rack make this a commuter's dream that's built to last. Blick Savany. Swedish design meets real-world practicality. The 500W motor, peaking at 750W, and 672Wh battery give up to 40 miles of range, with a smooth cadence sensor that eliminates jerky throttle response. It's stylish, comfortable, and reliable, perfect for riders who want both form and function. Aventon Pace 500.3. If comfort is your top priority, this one's for you. The 500W motor peaks at 864W, delivering up to 60 miles of range and smooth acceleration. Upright seating, a plush saddle, and swept-back bars keep you relaxed even on long rides. Plus, it's UL certified for safety and includes fast charging and full lighting for just $1,499. Rad Power Radrunner 3 Plus. Think of this as the e-bike version of a family SUV. A 750W motor with 60 Newton meters of torque powers heavy loads confidently. The 624Wh battery gives 55 miles, and you can double that with an optional second battery, up to 121 miles total. It supports 350 pounds payload, has hydraulic disc brakes, and even includes a USB-C charging port for your devices. Segway Safari. Smart tech meets serious range. With a 750W motor peaking at 300W and a 936Wh battery, this beast hits 88 miles claimed range, 38 miles throttle-only verified. It's loaded with smart features, GPS tracking, auto-locking, adaptive lighting, and full suspension for smooth all-terrain comfort. The Safari is what futuristic commuting feels like.